Hey, this is Robert at Guzzi Fabrication. Hit that like and subscribe. And we just finished installing the Voodoo Chopper Hardtail kit on our Project Sportster. And here's a shot of that. A really nice kit, good quality. And next step, I'm trying to figure out what style of tank that I want to build for this. And I haven't decided if I'm going to make it out of steel or aluminum. Now I've got several tanks. This is going to be one of them. I'm not going to use these actual tanks, but I'm just kind of looking for the shape. And this is kind of a chopper style, long. I do like that shape. We'd have to make it deeper on the sides. But yeah, that has a nice look. And next up, now this is a stock Sportster tank, and this is going to be a Frisco style where the fuel tank is on top of the frame. You could go a lot of different way with handlebars, like maybe some rabbit ears, something like that, or the Frisco style type bars, short and straight, kind of a vintage look. And now this is an aluminum top to a tank that I had fabricated. It's in a crosshatch pattern. And it's just a bare tank top. And that's got potential. Maybe a polished aluminum tank would be nice. And now this tank, I believe that's a Yamaha. It's kind of a different shape for a Sportster frame. Maybe that little kick up there would have to go. And I can see that with maybe like a white circle or something with a number in it. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about there. Block that off or reshape that. And here's another chopper style type tank. Now the blue tank and this tank were just a couple of tanks I fabricated mostly for paint work to show off paint work. And these are, I don't know, about 10 years old, and they've been banged around and beat up. But that's a really sweet look. Yeah, black with flames. Can never go wrong with that. And I'm really looking for input. So if anybody has any suggestions, comments, leave them in the comments section. I'd be happy to hear them on your favorite style of tank. Now this is kind of like a Franken tank. It's been cut up and reshaped. I don't know, that might be a little too overpowering for this frame. Yeah, I don't think we're going that route. Yeah, Frankenstein for sure. And this is another aluminum top. Now this is in a fish scale type pattern. And that might be kind of cool. Maybe put some curvature to it. Maybe make some deep sides. And that's where the fuel opening would go. And now this last tank top is just some silver leaf, gold leaf, metal flake, different kinds mixed up, pretty much you name it, and some candy. And that's a steel top. But hey, anyway, give me some input. Leave comments in the comments section. It's been a fun build. And here's a shot of all of the tanks that I had shown. Hey, stay tuned, see how this one works out. Check out our other videos on our playlist. And as always, thanks for watching.